installing a DIMM. The notch on the DIMM should line up with the tab in the socket. Insert the DIMM squarely into the slot. Visually inspect the DIMM to verify that it is evenly aligned and fully inserted into the slot. Push the DIMM down until the ejector tabs snap into place over the notches at the ends of the DIMM. Reconnect the NVMe battery. Refer to the video titled Installing the NVMe battery for the procedure. Reinstall the controller module cover. Reinstall the controller module. Restore automatic give back and auto support. Refer to the education course for the procedure.